How wonderful it is to be able to make money just by using your favorite social networking platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and others. You undoubtedly look through your Facebook feed to keep yourself occupied and entertained every now and then. You might not realize it, but you're definitely doing it far more frequently than you realize. Whether you're laying in bed after a hard day at work or delayed in a shopping line, you're probably on your phone, going through Facebook. What if I told you that you can make a lot of money by utilizing Facebook, and the best part is that you'll learn how to do it right here in today's video. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel as well. Hit that notification bell button so that you will get notified whenever a new money-making video from our channel comes out. Also, share this to your friends and family so that you and everyone else will know this great tip to earn money. If you have any questions, concerns, or opinions about the video, just leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. How much money can you make with this technique? To give you an idea, you can make up to $800 every day and much more if you do it well. What a fantastic idea! You might be wondering what the catch is with a money-making approach as great as this one. How much does it cost to register? The solution is straightforward. You do not need to invest any money in payments or any kind. It's completely free. Furthermore, you can use this strategy to make money regardless of where you are in the world. And you can use any gadget you have with you. Because it's available on every device you own, such as your laptop or a phone, there's no limit to what you may do with it. You can immediately declare that this method is outstanding based on that alone. And also, because your duty is simply copying and pasting, you don't need any technical abilities, and a complete newbie like you and me may apply it without hesitation. Remember that $800 is the total amount you'll make. So, what are your thoughts? Do you want to be a part of this strategy? Simply be sure to watch this video all the way through to the conclusion so you don't miss a single detail about how to make money and consider this a success. Aren't we everyone on Facebook? So, I'm sure you're eagerly anticipating my discovery of this approach so you may put it to use right away. Let me show you the first website you must master before moving on to Facebook without further ado. Superpay.me is the name of the first app. You can notice right away that Superpay.me is a platform for making money online with the fastest paying survey site. With PayPal, Skrill, and gift cards, you may cash out promptly for as little as $1. You may start your journey with Superpay right now and experience the wonder of Superpay. Their members have received about $5 million in payout from all of their users globally. That is unquestionably not a joke. That's a large sum of money. Take a look at how proud they are of these 4 key features that they provide to all of their subscribers. To begin with, you can earn money online by completing fast surveys, offers, trials, games, films, and other activities. To provide you the greatest surveys, we collaborate with the most legitimate survey companies. Second, quick payouts. Due to the platform's 8-hour payment guarantee, you'll get paid the same day. You can cash out for as little as $1 using PayPal. You can also make a payment using one of their e-gift card choices. They even give you the option of receiving 24/7 support to ensure that you are paid on time. The third benefit is the best. It's completely free to join, and you'll get a welcome bonus as soon as you do. Simply work at your own pace while accessing thousands of new surveys every day from the convenience of your own home. Get this, they have regular $1,000 cash contests where you can earn more money. Finally, it's safe and secure. They issue thousands of payments every day and will never reveal your information without your permission. But the primary attraction of Superpay is their excellent referral program, which pays you 25% of your referral earnings. The other features of the site are additionally opportunities to earn money. But for the purposes of this video, I'd like you to concentrate on the referral program, where you can simply invite others to try out Superpay by utilizing the unique referral link provided to you. Given the incredible features supplied by Superpay, there's no way you're going to back down from this website and turn the other cheek. As a result, you may now proceed with a sign-up procedure by clicking the Join Today screen button in the upper right corner of the page. After clicking the green button, you'll be taken to this page where you can complete the application form. Simply enter your basic information and register in about 30 seconds. It's as simple as entering your first and last name, username, password, and email address. You can now access your one-of-a-kind referral link, which we'll use later. irazoo.com is the name of the second website I'd like to present you. Because it is also a website of surveys and other tasks, irazoo has the same look and format as SuperPay. As stated on their main homepage, advertisers pay for consumers' input. Therefore, irazoo recruits members like you, and you may earn gift cards and real money by participating in activities at irazoo. To give you something to think about, they've paid a whooping sum of over $150 million in cash to all of the irazoo members. Isn't that absolutely massive? And you may join the ranks of the immensely satisfied members right now as we begin the website's registration procedure. But before we get started, let me demonstrate how this works. I want you to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and look for Refer Friends under the title Earn Points. I'd like you to click on it and you'll be directed to this page, where you can learn everything you need to know about irazoo's referral program. Basically, it functions the same as the previous website, but here's what they advise us to learn more about it. Simply by accepting your invitation, your friends will receive an additional 500 points. All they have to do now is use our website. You'll get a referral bonus of 100 to 500 points depending on which country you're from if your friend earns their first 1,000 points by completing offers. However, promotional points will not count towards this objective. This incentive is available for every recommendation you invite, so go out and welcome all of your friends and family and watch your points fly. You can even receive a count of how much you can earn as you scroll down, which is roughly 500 points per person. As a result, the more people you suggest, the more money you will be able to earn. With that stated, you can now establish your own account by clicking the blue join icon in the upper right corner of the page, which will take you to this page where you can fill out the application form. As usual, everything is simple. All you have to do is enter your email address, first name, last name, and password, and you'll have your very own irazoo account in the blink of an eye. Let's jump right into the main courses, your favorite social media app, Facebook. Now that you've learned everything about the websites with substantial referral programs, that's correct. This is where Facebook enters the picture. Facebook is one of the most popular and widely used social media platforms in the world, allowing individuals from all 7 continents to communicate with one another. We're going to take full advantage of this massive network and Facebook. I want you to type the words "Earn Money Online" into the search field, and it will take you to this page, which has all of the results linked to your search phrases. Initially, Facebook will show you with groups related to online money making. Your objective now is to join as many of these groups as possible. You can now begin to produce magic as you move closer to financial independence. Your next duty is to create a post on the group inviting others to try out this new SuperPay and irazoo approach. Make sure to be polite, innovative, and resourceful to get them to click on your link. Then include a call to action in which you instruct them to click your unique referral link, after which everything will fall into place. Money for you, them, and everyone else. And that's it. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I was able to help you find a new way to earn money online. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel as well. Ring that notification bell button so that you will get notified for our next videos. Stay tuned for our next video and I'll see you there.